Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are working upper glutes. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. You're gonna need a resistance band, a yoga mat, and a bench. Or if you don't have a bench, you can use the edge of your bed. You can use the couch, the edge of the couch. Something where your upper body can lean on and you can bring your lower body up off the ground, up to where your shoulders are on a higher surface. I hope that makes sense. We are going to be using the resistance band and the yoga mat first and then work into the bench. So just grab this gear for now. Before we get started, don't forget that the March calendar is available. Click the link in the description box down below. Sign up for the rest of the year of calendars and let's get started. So first off, we are going to start with this resistance band. Put it around your feet here. All right, come down on your mat like this, lie nice and parallel on your side. This half of your body should be completely on the ground. Now what you wanna do is bring your hip towards the ground. So instead of like straight, you wanna slightly lean forward and then put your arm here for upper body support. So from here, what we're gonna do is keeping this leg on the ground, you're gonna bring this leg up and pulse. So pulling this up as high as you can, activating this muscle here along with the quads, the side of the leg. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10 on each leg. Let's do the first leg first and then switch other side. Really try to keep this part of your body facing the ground.
I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bell.
Baby, I'm not running around.
Make sure you're keeping your leg nice and straight.
I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bell.
Baby, I'm not running around. Baby, I'm not running around. Baby, I'm not running around. Baby, I'm not running around.
Great job, 10 seconds. There's not too much motion on my resistance band because this is a cloth band and it is so tight, but I can really feel it activating my glute here. This is the warm-up exercise, you guys. It's gonna get more difficult for sure. Okay, set 2, here we go. Remember, hips are slightly facing down. Great job, 10 seconds to rest. Oh my God, that hurts so good. Set 3, here we go.
Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bell. Baby, I'm not.
Great job. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Lying flat here. Remember to bring the hips slightly forward, leaning on this arm here to support the upper body. No rest on this side because this leg was just chilling. And here we go, 10.
I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind. I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above.
Great job. 10 seconds to rest.
Baby, I'm not running around. Baby,
Using a resistance band with a lot of tension is going to help so nicely. If you're using the elastic bands, they open up a lot wider, but they're not always as resistant, so you don't feel it as much. Set 2, here we go. Hips are facing down. Let's do this. Great job. 10 seconds to rest. Set 3, here we go.
everything about you calling out to me. I got to everything about
Good job. My legs are literally like shaking. That's 3 sets. Give yourself 15 seconds to rest and let's grab those benches. If you don't have a bench, remember, find a surface where you can lean on and your hips are in a declined position. All right, guys, get on your surface, get your bench, whatever it is. Here's the motion. This is the form. So coming here, you're going to bring your upper body to the edge of whatever you're leaning on, just like this. Lower body's down here, kind of floating, hovering, doing its thing. We've got our feet on the ground, heels down, toes up. So you're pushing up from those heels. You're going to glute bridge up, open, close, down. So here we go. Glute bridge, squeezing at the top, working the upper booty, opening right here, side booty, upper booty, closing, and back down. So we're working 2 or 3 muscles right here in the butt. We're getting a full-on thing going on, but most of this tension is on the upper shelf, okay? Also, keep your back straight, your core nice and tight. We're gonna do 15, 3 sets. Let's get started here. Give yourself 10 seconds to rest.
As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking.
All right, here we go. Set 2, coming down. Here we go.
Cannot stand losing.
Open up those legs as big as you can. Keeping your core tight. That's 4. Good job.
I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
Give yourself 10 seconds to rest.
It's like you want.
All right, guys, last set. Here we go. Last 15 here.
'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing.
My feet keep slipping. This wood floor.
You're the best thing, the best thing.
Core is tight at the top. Here we go. Good job.
'Cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing.
Good job. Take 15 seconds. My butt. Feeling it right here. That's right. Okay, you guys, next exercise, taking off this resistant band, we are going to do single leg sits. So, all right, here's the form for the next exercise. While we are taking our rest, we're going to do single leg sit. So, sitting and standing. So you're going to actually do a full seat here, and then switching, and then standing. So when you're standing and you're pushing up from this glute and the heel of the foot, you're really focusing on mind-muscle connection. So here we go. Try to go down as slow as possible, sit, and push yourself up. If you don't have balance, keep your hands like this, and then slowly down, and coming back to the top. So focusing on pushing up from the heel, core is tight, back is straight. This exercise is a challenge, you guys. Trust me, but we got this. Let's push ourselves. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Let's get started. Here we go. That's 4. halfway there.
Sometimes I wonder where you came from. You are special, yeah, you're special. Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me.
3 more.
You're the one who gets my life color.
Here we go.
There is no another with your hand.
Here we go. 1 more.
Let me go by your side.
Oh, it's so good. Good job. 10 seconds to rest. You're literally focusing all of your weight on that one part of the glute and just pushing yourself up. Second set, here we go.
Without you, there is no tomorrow.
Pushing up from those heels. You got this. Core is tight. Back is straight. Number 4. Here we go. Sit slow.
Without you, there is no tomorrow.
Good job. Halfway there. That was terrible. I gotta redo that one. There we go. Here we go. Two more. There we go. 10 seconds to rest.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up.
Here we go.
Worry, 'cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
Good job, you guys. 15 seconds to rest. We are going to stay on our benches. I'm gonna bring mine out a little bit.
So high,
Push it up here so you can see what we're doing for this last exercise.
to go even.
Bring your resistance band and put it around your ankles.
Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a
We're going to lay on our bench,
it goes on
and in this position, we're going to step out
inside of me.
each side, activating the upper glute and the side glute. So stepping out and stepping out. 1, 2, in. 1, 2, out. 1, 2, 1, 2. Just like that. Count 1, 2 in your head, keeping the muscle flex. So this is our last exercise. Step outs, banded step outs. Here we go, guys. We're gonna do 3 sets of 20. Whatever you're doing this on, you're comfortable, okay? Let's get started. Remember to count 1, 2, in, 1, 2, out.
I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
Great job. Take a 10-second rest. Set 2.
They turn my volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side.
Open up those feet as wide as you can possibly.
You're
Feeling the flex right here.
in the crowd.
Woo, baby, there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2.
My face, I know the strangers though, so are you sure that it's over? When you close my eyes, I'm by your side, babe. When you close
Give yourself 10 seconds to rest. We've got one more set, you guys, and we're good for the day.
Drown yourself in the smoke, babe. You came to this place to hide away for a while, but we both know that when it gets late, one call away and then you are spending the night. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind. Wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side. I'm by your side, right? You'll find me there dancing in the crowd.
Great job. Give yourself a round of applause. We are done with upper booty today, you guys. Those exercises are so good. They're very small movements, but you're hitting the right muscles. So good job today. Don't forget, do a nice cool down. I'll leave a cool down here on the screen. Click the cool down, stretch it out. Don't get sore, don't get tense. If you haven't clicked the link down below to sign up for the calendars, do that now. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can train with me every day and get your summer body. It's about to be summer, you guys. All right, I'll see you in the cool down. Bye.
It's not over.